Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm be testing out this. I'm just be showing you guys how to make some butter slime without no cornstarch and stuff. And first you'll be needing. I just got some regular white Mono Magic clay, and I already had. I had this blue Mono Magic. And you don't need a lot. It's gonna be a lot and all with that stuff. I got it. I want to make mine like a light blue or something like that. Sorry about the background noise. This is so soft. And then you're going to grab these two and then just mix it together. This is optional. You don't need to add two colors. You can just add one, but I just want it to be like blue. If you don't have any other colors of clay, then you can just add food dye or whatever you use to dye your slimes or something. So this is how it's turning out. But this is a 2 recipe, whatever. So, and the second thing you'll need will be shaving cream. I'm using the shaving foam. This part gets somehow messy, but you want to add like about this much, I'm guessing. But if it's too much, just in case, always grab your hand, take some off. Like that was a lot, I feel like, but it's a-okay. Okay, let's mix it in now. And I never tried this before, it's just an experiment. I swear I'm not trying to copy anybody. So, I swear I'm not trying to copy you guys. If you guys do this and one of your YouTube channels, I felt like I got something on my leg. I don't know how this is going to turn out because I never tried it, so. I'm trying to form it all together. So it's turning out to sort of mix together. This gets messy. It's sort of working out. I was bored, so I was like, I might make a video on it because I'm bored. I want to try this game out. Okay, now I'm getting it all together. Okay, I think it's mixing much more. good. Like, instead of using glue, it's like, like, look at that. Look at that stretch. It's like amazing. I love this. Comment down below if you guys are gonna try it, or you saw this before, or something like that. If you saw this DIY before, you guys can add as much shaving cream as you want, but you might need a lot. But I'm not gonna blow that part, but so. You know what? I want you guys to believe me, so I'm about to just go ahead and end this video, but now I have to show you guys what it ends up looking like. This does. I thought shaving cream on the same thing. Made this sorta like, I thought the shaving cream made it sort of small, but now that I'm like filling it and stuff, it feels bigger than what it was before. And I don't really like the smell of mom. I don't know why I said this much shaving cream. This is going to take pretty much a long time. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, and please use this DIY